In this video, we'll learn how to easily back up your important WhatsApp chats and media to keep your conversations safe. Whether you're switching phones or just want a backup for peace of mind, this guide is for you. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Then, go to Settings by tapping the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Next, navigate to the Chat section and select Chat Backup. Here, you'll see several backup options. At the top of the screen, you can check the last backup date. Mine was on March 24th. To manually backup your chats, simply tap the Backup Now button, and WhatsApp will start creating and uploading a backup. You can also enable Auto Backup, which lets WhatsApp automatically backup your chats daily, weekly, or monthly. For example, if you want to backup every 7 days, set it to weekly. I highly recommend enabling this feature so your chats are always backed up without any effort. Additionally, you can choose to include or exclude videos in your backup. Keep in mind that including videos will make the backup file much larger and take longer to upload. And that's it. That's how you can back up WhatsApp chats manually or automatically. If this video helped you, leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.